Alright, so today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up elevations within Revit. It's a simple process that will take a grand total of about 2 minutes to do once you know where everything's at. So what you're going to see is when you first open up your project browser window, you're given just this main screen here, and what you're going to want to look at on the project browser view is the east view, and you'll notice that it starts off with level 1 and level 2 as your presets. Now at the top of the bar there, you're going to go ahead and add an additional level for level 3, and then you'll notice that it's set at 19 feet. We can go in and select that height and make it an even 10 feet between each level. And then what we're going to do now is that we're going to go back in and we're going to change the level names so that they show up in the project browser so that we can look at it for a quick reference. We can double click on it, and that's where it's going to take us. And we're always going to click yes here to confirm it, because what will end up happening is that the ground level will not only show up on the screen here, but also in the project browser in the bottom left hand window. It'll also change the name from level 1 to ground level, level 2 to top floor, level 3 to the ceiling. So you can see here that's pretty straightforward. You can select yes for all of these, and then you'll notice that they've all been changed in the project browser view there. And you'll also notice on the right hand side here that you have the option to lock these elevations in as well, so that you can't just inadvertently change them.